Are you feeling like Pinterest hasn't delivered the results that you deserve? Or ready to transition from Instagram to a Pinterest marketing powerhouse? The answer lies in mastering the Pinterest funnel, demystifying the Pinterest funnel. Visualize your Pinterest funnel as a crafted journey from discovery to loyal client. It transforms curious browsers into a committed fans through 4 key stages. As a reminder, Pinterest is a search marketing platform. And what that means is over time, your account and the pins that you have on there get better and better and better and keep driving traffic over months and even years, unlike social media, which is 24 to 48 hours typically. So let's go through the 4 stages. Stage number 1 is the discovery stage. At the top, potential clients discover your content on Pinterest because they're on Pinterest to get inspired, to discover new ways of doing things, how to save time or save money. And so this is the discovery stage. And you accomplish this through keywords on everything in your profile, on your Pinterest pins, everywhere. The second stage is awareness. Moving down, you create brand awareness with your unique positive vibe. It's about leaving a lasting impression beyond being just another pin on the feed, but really utilizing those keywords to get your ideal client to tap or click into that pin. The third stage is consideration. Going deeper into the funnel, potential clients consider your offerings. Your content becomes valuable, addressing their challenges and the transition that they want to make. So you want to make sure, of course, that your content is giving them transition, giving them a way to get what they need versus just inspiring them. The fourth stage is the conversion stage. This is the funnest stage. At the very bottom, that sweet spot where potential clients transform into actual clients, because your crafted Pinterest journey will lead them to taking action and booking your services by sharing how you can transform them from this to that, whatever that is that you offer. Optimization magic at each stage. Understanding the stages is crucial, but the real magic lies in the optimization of each stage. So in the discovery stage, you want to grab their attention. You're going to do this by creating eye-catching pins and compelling content that stops them mid-scroll. You want to address on that pin through keywords exactly what they're looking for. In the second stage, awareness, you want to showcase your vibe. Inject your positivity or cheerleader vibe, in my case, into your pins, letting them know there's a real person behind the content. Step 3 is consideration. Provide value. Share content that goes beyond inspiration, offer valuable insights and tips, and more important, quick wins for them, actionable tips that they can take and actually see that transformation. And I always say that in this stage, it's really effective and helpful to provide to them the foundation so that when they come to you as a client, they already understand how powerful your content is and anything that they need to learn. So for me, on my Pinterest area, the foundation I need to get is why Pinterest is so effective at marketing your business, right? If I can teach them that in this beginning stage, then when they come to me for help, they already feel like I can help them because I help them for free. What in the world can I do if they paid me? That's the plan. And step 4 is conversion, a call to action. When they are ready, make the transition super easy and a no-brainer. Include very clear calls to action, directing them to your website or booking page or blog content of what you're going to be teaching them. The Pinterest funnel in action. Imagine a potential client stumbling upon your pin about effortless marketing on Pinterest. They discover my positive vibe, valuable tips, and ultimately convert by looking at your services for their business to grow. Crafting content for chilly day seekers. Your Pinterest audience, unlike your familiar Instagram crew, is actively seeking not just inspiration, but actionable tips, and crafting content for them about building brand trust and creating super fans and guiding them to your website, giving them actionable tips that show them a transformation for free. That's the goal. That's the key. Promoting Pinterest magic. Get eyeballs on your content with Pinterest promotion. Set up and optimize your Pinterest business account. And yes, you have to have a business Pinterest account or you won't see the analytics and it won't have your website linkable unless it's a business account. You want to sprinkle keywords throughout in your pin titles, your descriptions, and what you name your pins, everywhere. Also on your website because Google likes that. Add compelling calls to action. Every single pin should have a call to action. Download now, read now, instant download, like whatever it is that you're offering. And consistently share. This is the area that people make the biggest mistakes. New pins for your content, you want to consistently create those. It could be a different graphic for the same URL, but you want to spread those out as well. So you have multiple different options and content and pins so that you are finding your ideal. Seizing the moment and nurturing. Congratulations, your Pinterest-worthy content led your ideal client to your blog post. Now it is your job or your website's job to seize the moment. Capture leads with strategic opportunities for readers to join your email list or set up a discovery call or whatever it is that you want them to do to start to work with you. And don't forget to nurture email subscribers. Nurture email subscribers with a welcome sequence that delivers value as well as information and the things that you can help them do. Welcome sequence that delivers that is necessary and valuable because once they download something, they may or may not read it and they may or may not remember you. So by doing this email sequence, they learn all about how you can help them, not just about you, but how you can help them get that transformation that they want. Consider using an email client like ConvertKit, which I love, or Flowdesk for email marketing. So use an email marketing platform that you can then put people in different subsections of your list so that when you're sending an email to them, it's sending the email of the things that they are most interested in and that they signed up for. Consistency is key. As I mentioned it before, but I'm going to mention it again. Consistency is vital. Stick to your promised communication frequency, and over time, your email subscribers will become your biggest fans and convert into clients. Anyone that's not ready to jump and purchase with you right away, you have this system to nurture them throughout until they convert. Ready to turn Pinterest users into devoted clients? Let's make your Pinterest funnel a powerhouse for your service-based success. And all you have to do is click below on a free discovery call to find out how you can work with me to help you use Pinterest to book your ideal clients. Bye.